Once you have granted privileges, you may need to revoke some of them or all of these privileges. To do this, you can run the revoke command. You can revoke any combination of select, insert, update, delete, truncate, references, trigger, or even all. The syntax for revoking privileges on a table is as follows. First, you specify one or more privileges that you want to revoke. You can use the all option to revoke all privileges. Secondly, specify the name of the table or object after the on keyword. And thirdly, specify the name of the role which you want to revoke the privileges. So let's take a look at a quick demo of how you would revoke privileges from a user on the database. So let's revoke the select permission from the demo user. So instead of using grant, just change the grant in your statement to revoke. And instead of using to, then you specify from. Then execute the statement. Now if you attempt to query the category table as the demo user, you should be getting permission denied. So let's execute. As you can see, permission denied. If you query another table within the same public schema, then the user should be able to still be able to access it because you only revoke the permission from a specific table. To revoke all the permissions, you could use the revoke statement and then specify on all tables within the schema. So if we execute, it should complete successfully. You could also use the revoke all, which would revoke all the permissions completely from the user. If you go back to the demo user session and execute the query again, you should be getting a permission denied. In the next lecture, you'll learn how to use the alter role statement to modify attributes of a role.